What's going on, guys? It's Dad Tech. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Nannio baby monitor. Nannio. Ease, relief, peace of mind. You got your instruction booklet, 3.5-inch digital video baby monitor. You got nightlight feature, operation modes, brightness. It's got soothing sounds for your baby, two-way talk, voice activation, vibration, temperature settings, and then some tips on care and maintenance. And here's your camera. Swivel's pretty smooth. I like that. Got your light on setting, your music button, on-off switch right here. Now let's take the plastic off this part. I love this part. You got your microphone right here. Overall, I like the style of it. Definitely looks futuristic and high-tech. Think it's gonna look great in the baby room. Alright, what else do we got in here? Ooh, that's a nice looking receiver. Oh yeah, this is a really nice design. You got your signal light, your battery indicator, and then your Vox. Got your brightness settings, your volume settings, microphone button, your soothing sounds button, and then your menu button. Alright, it's a pretty tall box, so I bet there's something else in here. Oh yeah, all the power cables. Got one power cable, two power cable, and then your mounting screws. So this is everything that comes in the box. I'm really liking the overall quality and design. It's pretty inexpensive, but the real test is it functional and is it easy to use? Alright, now we're going to set this up and test it out to see if it really lives up to all those great reviews from Amazon. Here's what you need to know after testing this monitor. Video quality. The video quality in a low lit room is just okay. Here you can see that in low light it's actually got quite a bit of noisiness and grain. Still enough to see what's going on with your baby. And if you look closely you can still double check and see if he's still breathing. Surprisingly, no light in night vision mode looked a lot better than just low light with night vision turned off. Sound quality. Honestly, the microphone and speaker sounded pretty distorted when I first started speaking into the microphone, but that's when I realized I was just speaking too close into the microphone.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
So just make sure you're at least a foot away from the microphone before speaking into it, and you should be alright. The volume on both the monitor and the camera was surprisingly pretty loud. I got a reading of 97.8 decibels from the camera, and an impressive 102.3 decibels coming from the monitor speakers. So good thing there's volume controls. Okay, the range. This camera uses a secure 2.4 gigahertz channel using FHSS technology, so it's got quite a bit more range than your typical Wi-Fi cameras. 985 feet is what they claim the camera and monitor can stay connected up to, within line of sight and no obstructions. Can it really though? We took the camera outside and took the monitor as far as we could go before losing connection. Our results? We went a quarter of a mile before we lost connection. 1,300 feet. Just wow. This was within line of sight and no obstructions though. When we tested the camera from inside the house and traveled down the street, we got 290 feet away after several trees and houses got in the way, which is still pretty impressive. Okay, the battery. The monitor has a 2600 milliamp rechargeable battery. In our tests, it lasted 8 hours with video audio mode, in which the screen stays on the whole time, about 10 hours in Vox mode, which saves battery by only turning the screen on when it senses sound or motion, and recharge time was about 2 hours. Honestly though, it comes with a power cable, so it's really not that important to last that long wirelessly. Alert settings. The alerts worked pretty well and were pretty reliable. You could get alerts for sound, motion, or both. You could also set it to alert you when the temperature goes above or below what you set your high and low settings to be. Although for me it was actually just a couple of degrees higher than what it really was in the room. Some other features are the nightlight mode, which was pretty gentle and soothing. They also claim to have this digital pan tilt zoom setting. All this really was just digital zoom into an already too close video. I'm not sure what the field of view is on this camera, but it's not that wide. Here it is next to the Nest indoor camera. The Nest has a great field of view at 130 degrees. Nannio doesn't specify theirs, but it has to be pretty low with how much less is visible. So you'll need to mount the camera at least 4 feet above the crib in order to see the whole thing. So my top 3 pros: ultimate privacy. Because this doesn't use Wi-Fi, it has a larger range, and you know that no one can hack it through the internet. My number 2 pro is no time delay. All of my Wi-Fi cameras have at least a 3 to 6 second time delay. That is not what you want for a baby monitor. With the Nannio Hero3, I got less than a second of delay. And number 3 pro is temperature monitoring. Yes, it was a couple of degrees too high, but honestly you can just plan for that and just modify your high and low settings for those alerts. The 5 lullabies were pretty soothing as well. Here's a quick sample of those. Now the number 1 con, video quality. It's good, but definitely not great in low light. The number 2 con is no multiple camera support, although Nannio does have higher end camera systems that do allow for that. And number 3 con is no recording options. Overall, for just a little over $60 on Amazon, I'd say that this baby monitor is worth it. It's basic, reliable, and gets the job done. See below in the details for my product links. Guys, I do these videos for free, so I really appreciate it when anybody uses one of my Amazon affiliate links. Amazon gives me just a small commission anytime somebody clicks on one of those links and buys something, at no cost to you. You can even buy something else and they would still give me a commission just for visiting the site and buying something. Guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on, because every week I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interacted with my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.